you're looking to convert a PDF file to JPG file, this is your video. Well, to do this, the first thing you have to do is to go to iLovePDF.com and you have to go to this option that says PDF to JPG. So you press it and you see that you have to select a PDF file or drop PDF here. So I have PDF in my downloads and I will drag it to this screen. You press convert to JPG and you will get the images. Also, you can extract the images embedded in the PDF file and will turn up to JPG. So you press convert to JPG. And as you can see, the PDF has been converted to JPG images. So you press download, wait a few seconds. It can take long because the file, depending of the size of your PDF, will be bigger or less bigger. In my case, I uploaded a book that is like 700 pages, so it will take a lot of time. But don't worry, so this is the way you can do this. So if this video helped you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the button in the subscription button. Goodbye.